Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and show you guys how I got these new locks. These are the extended locks. This is Bobbi Boss new locks. I got 10 packs total. I watched another YouTuber, and she said that she used 10 packs, so I just ordered 10 packs from Beauty Depot. Like I said, 10 packs, 5 of M27 gold and another 5 of 1B27. So these are the two colors that I ordered. I just wanted to pretty much just show how I did them. So the first half of my hair, they're individuals, and then the back I just crocheted the traditional way. I crocheted them in. So I parted them, put a rubber band on it, crocheted the hair through, tied it in a knot, and then took the Katie Springs bomb twist hair, and cut it in half and wrapped it around. So this is the half. Separated it a bit and hold it down just like you would do any other faux lock, and just wrapped it around. The biggest question is how to extend the locks. So just a tip, I personally found it easier to extend them before installing them. I am not a braider, so I am not used to my hands being over my head, my arms hurt, and so that's just more lift that you have to do while you are extending them. And also, some of them I did, some of them I didn't. So here's one that I extended, and this is the knot. And then this is one that I extended, but took that same bomb twist hair and wrapped it around to conceal the difference. So you can see the two. So you can see the color changes. So from here to here, the knot is somewhere in there. And then here, you can see the knot. But they're all, kind of uniform, so you really can't tell. So like I said, I found it easier to extend the knot before installing. So I would suggest to leave one pack of hair like it is, and then the other pack of hair that you are extending, like you're going to add to that, take that one off, and this will help you stay organized while you're doing your hair. So just pull it out some and then extend. So I'll do one on camera, these two. So here's the loop. These loops are horrible, okay? Horrible. Like, you really have to take your time, and that's another reason why I didn't want to extend while they were in. So you want to take it and find the knot and open, okay? And then the bottom piece of the other one, pull through. So now you want to take this, and whatever direction this hair is going in, twist it in that direction. So you want to twist this to tighten it up. You don't want to leave it open, because then a hole will be there. So this, you want to have this far up enough to where you can tie it in a knot. All right, keep twisting, and then tie in a knot. And pull. And pull. I'm going to still twist that. So now this, whatever your mood is, you just kind of got to get the vibe for it, okay? So you can either split this piece right here in half. Just pull it apart. Into two. Pull tight. And find that same direction that the hair is going in. And just wrap the hair around. Just wrap the hair around. Just keep wrapping the hair around. And then this hair is closing this way. So I like to just keep that same motion and still just twist the hair up. So now I have hair going opposite directions. This one isn't very good. And so see, this one didn't like really do it for me. So now this is where I would just take a piece of, not a piece of glue, but a dab of glue. And just lock that, secure that piece. So, I'm sorry, I have these contacts in and they are bothering me. So now that hair is about to just stop. So I'm gonna take a little dab of glue. You guys can see that. You can't, but okay. And just twist. Now there's some YouTubers that say you can do this without the glue. I say no ma'am. Baby, have you some nail glue, okay? And twist. Now, because this is still looking a little raggedy, I'm gonna do the same thing. Now, I don't prefer this method of the two twisting because it's just more work and it's just gonna take you longer. And now you have it like this. So now you're just going to pummel. And boom, you have a lock. Now, again, that takes a little longer. And I could wrap it now. But I would, once it's in my head, wrap it. And then you just go ahead and put it in. I personally, I'm gonna do it one more time. With the method that I like. And I also want to add too that the colors, the textures change. So the 1B 27, that one was a little bit more coarse, but the gold, they were actually soft. So here's the thing, the loop. Gonna put the bottom piece in, pull it through, take the lock, twist it in the direction that it's going, tie it in a knot, tie it in a knot, and then the one, see how that has, how it has a hole? in it. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but there's a hole right there. There's a hole. And so I'm still going to unravel this piece. It's in a knot, but I don't have to do it as much, right? And then whatever direction this one is going in, just take it and put it in that direction. And I'm just twisting it around. Just twisting. Just keep twisting. And then I'm gonna just put some glue. Sometimes I wanna put the glue in the knot too. And let that hold together in the knot. And pommel. And then boom. There you have it. And then, like I said, I wrap this with the bomb twist hair. Now, I actually would prefer the spring twist hair, just only because it's a bit more coarse and it gives a more distressed look. But I needed the color more than the texture for this style. So that's what I did. See if I can stand up and show you guys how long this is. And the color story. So yeah, that is really all I have to add to this. If you are familiar with Locs, you'll do good. It's a very easy style. If you guys have any more questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. And again, like I said, this is from a perspective, I'm not a braider. I do not braid. I cannot box braid. The only thing that I can do is spring twist and these. And I learned through, you know, just watching other people's YouTube. So again, like, this is not a professional thing, but I definitely wanted to make sure I did a video on these because, like I said in the intro, when I was looking for to see what colors that would look right on me, I never saw a color story for these colors. So here you go. These are the colors, like I said, 27 and 30, 27 in gold. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this makeup, I will be dropping a video for this sometime soon. And stay safe. Quarantine in jail.